Why don't Jamaican snakes bite tourists? Because they know it's bad for business. That's right, even our wildlife understands the value of a happy visitor. This little joke just goes to show how integral tourism is to the beautiful island of Jamaica. And speaking of tourism, it's high time we shed some light on a lesser-known gem of our island, the coastal town of Lucea. Nestled in the parish of Hanover, it's a place brimming with potential to become your next favorite destination. Now that we've got the laughter out of the way, let's dive into the history of Lucea. Lucea's story begins in 1723. It was in this year that the coastal town was founded, a small dot on the map of Jamaica, but destined for so much more. Nestled in the parish of Hanover, Lucea was not just another town. It was a town with a purpose, a town with a destiny. In the early years, Lucea played a significant role in the agricultural exports of Jamaica. The town was a hive of activity, bustling with the comings and goings of ships laden with bananas and logwood. These were the golden commodities of the day, the fruits of the land that were highly sought after in far-off lands. Bananas, with their sweet, creamy texture and distinctive flavor, were a hit in the international markets. But it wasn't just about the taste. The banana industry also brought an influx of jobs and economic growth to Lucea. From farmers to dock workers, the banana industry was a lifeline for many. Logwood, on the other hand, was prized for its rich, dark hue. It was a key ingredient in the dye industry, coloring fabrics and textiles across the world. The logwood trade was a boon for Lucea, bringing wealth and prosperity to the town and its inhabitants. These two industries, bananas and logwood, were the twin engines that powered Lucea in those early years. They shaped the town, its economy, and its people. They were part of the fabric of life in Lucea, a testament to the town's hard work, resourcefulness, and entrepreneurial spirit. But life in Lucea wasn't all work and no play. The town was a vibrant community, a place of laughter, music, and camaraderie. From the lively chatter of the markets to the rhythmic beats of the local music, Lucea was a town that embraced life with open arms. From its humble beginnings as a hub for agricultural exports, Lucea has grown in leaps and bounds. It's a town that's always moving, always evolving. But no matter how much it changes, one thing remains the same: the spirit of Lucea, the spirit of a town that's not just a place on a map, but a community, a home, a family. Lucea is not just about bananas and logwood. It has a rich history etched in its landmarks. One can't walk around this coastal town without being reminded of its past. Let's take a journey through time and explore some of these historical sites. First, let's visit Fort Charlotte. Built in the 18th century, this fortification stands as a testament to Jamaica's colonial past. Named after Charlotte of Mecklenburg-Strelitz, the Queen Consort of King George III of Britain, the fort was designed to protect the Bay of Lucea from pirate attacks. Now it offers breathtaking views and reminds us of the strategic importance Lucea once held. Just a stone's throw away from Fort Charlotte, we stumble upon another gem, the Lucea Clock Tower. This isn't just any clock tower, mind you. It's a story of serendipity. Commissioned in the early 20th century, the clock was actually destined for the island of St. Lucia. But due to a shipping error, it ended up in Lucea. The town decided to keep it, and it has since become a beloved local landmark. It stands in the town square, ticking away, a symbol of the passage of time and the town's resilience. But these landmarks are more than just historical artifacts. They are part of the town's identity, woven into the fabric of its culture and community. Fort Charlotte, with its imposing structure and the stories it holds, is a reminder of the town's strategic importance and the battles fought. The Lucea Clock Tower, with its serendipitous arrival, symbolizes the town's adaptability and its embrace of the unexpected. And it's not just about the past. These landmarks continue to shape the town's present and future. They attract visitors, sparking curiosity and inspiring exploration. They serve as gathering spots for locals and tourists alike, fostering a sense of community and shared history. These historical landmarks are not just brick and mortar. They are the silent witnesses to Lucea's rich history. So the next time you find yourself in Lucea, take a moment to appreciate these landmarks. They have stories to tell, if you're willing to listen. Fast forward to the present day, Lucea is a thriving coastal town. Nestled on the northwestern coast of Jamaica, Lucea has evolved from its quiet agricultural roots to become a bustling hub of activity, teeming with culture and history. The economy of Lucea today is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of agriculture and tourism. The fertile soils of the region yield a bounty of produce, with yams being a major product. The agricultural sector, while still maintaining its traditional roots, is continually innovating, adapting to the changing demands of the market and the world. But agriculture is just one side of the coin. Lucea has also embraced the allure of tourism, with a host of attractions that draw visitors from around the globe. The Hanover Museum, for instance, offers a glimpse into the town's past, its exhibits telling tales of the region's history and heritage. The Lucea Parish Church, with its striking architecture and serene atmosphere, is another must-visit spot, a testament to the town's rich cultural fabric. For fun seekers and leisure travelers, Lucea is not short of options either. There are clubs and parks where both locals and tourists can unwind and enjoy. And for the golfing enthusiasts, there's the exclusive Trial Golf, Tennis and Beach Club, a haven that offers not just a challenging game, but also breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. It's not just the attractions that make Lucea so appealing. It's the vibrant energy of the place, the warmth of the people, and the sense of community that pervades every corner of the town. It's the kind of place where you can feel at home, whether you're a local or a visitor. Lucea, once a quiet agricultural town, is now a vibrant destination with a mix of history, culture and leisure. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, each contributing to the unique character and charm of the town. And as we'll see in the next scene, Lucea's future is just as promising, with plans underway to further boost its appeal as a resort destination. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's just appreciate the beauty and vibrancy of Lucea today. Lucea is gearing up for an exciting future. A future that is as vibrant as the sunsets that grace its skyline, and as promising as the waves that kiss its shores. Lucea is not just a town, but a destination in the making, a haven for those with a thirst for adventure and a longing for tranquility. Imagine a place where history meets luxury, where the old-world charm of Fort Charlotte and the Lucea Clock Tower blend seamlessly with the opulence of modern resorts. This is the vision for Lucea, a vision that is rapidly becoming a reality. The town council has been hard at work, meticulously planning the transformation of Lucea into a resort destination. The benefits of this move are manifold. For starters, it would usher in a new era of prosperity for the town, injecting much-needed capital into the local economy. It would create jobs, support local businesses, and foster a sense of pride among the residents. The yam farmers, the shopkeepers, the artisans, everyone stands to gain from this transformation. But the impact of this move goes beyond the economic. It's about putting Lucea on the world map, about sharing its culture, its history and its beauty with the rest of the world. It's about creating a space where visitors can experience the warmth of Jamaican hospitality, the rhythm of its music, and the taste of its cuisine. Of course, with great change comes great responsibility. The town is committed to sustainable development, to preserving its natural beauty and cultural heritage even as it gears up to welcome more tourists. It's a delicate balance, but one that Lucea is ready to strike. The future of Lucea is not just about building resorts. It's about building bridges. Bridges between the past and the present, between the local and the global, between tradition and innovation. It's a future that promises to be as diverse and dynamic as the town itself. With its rich history and promising future, Lucea is a gem waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and get ready to discover Lucea, the future resort destination. So, what makes Lucea a place worth knowing? Let's recap. Lucea is a coastal town in Jamaica with a history as vibrant as its landscape. Founded in 1723, this town was instrumental in Jamaica's agricultural exports, particularly bananas and logwood. It's a place where history meets the present, with landmarks like Fort Charlotte and the Lucea Clock Tower standing as silent witnesses to times gone by. Fast forward to Lucea today, a bustling town of nearly 6,000 people whose economy thrives on agriculture. The humble yam, a major product, is a testament to the hard-working spirit of its people. But Lucea is not just about work, it's about play too. With clubs, parks, and the exclusive Trial Golf, Tennis and Beach Club, the town offers a slice of paradise for both locals and visitors. And the future? It's looking bright. Plans are underway to designate Lucea as a resort destination, a move that promises to boost tourism and transform this charming town into a haven for travelers from around the world. From its humble beginnings to its ambitious future, Lucea is a testament to Jamaica's resilience and spirit. So the next time someone asks why Jamaican snakes don't bite tourists, tell them about Lucea. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.